Good afternoon and thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the last trade. Looking at the market today, and the Australian supermarket, or share market rather I should say, closed lower, dropping 30.80 points or 0.42%. And the bottom performing stocks in this index include Costa Group, which is down 5.96%, and Imugene as well, down a very similar 5.26%. Over the past 5 days, the index has been virtually unchanged, but has been down 1.72 over the past year. Now looking at some trending shares today, the ASX-listed profile marketing and insights tech company Pure Profile has shared its business update for the third quarter. And on the back of the news, the company's shares were trading 8.51% higher today at 5.1 cents apiece. Pure Profile continued its upbeat momentum in the third quarter as the company's revenue increased by 40% and earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization improved as well as 6%. The platform's revenue increased by 323% compared to the last year. Meanwhile, yesterday, the Goodman Group announced that it had priced a $500 million issue of sustainably linked bonds with a 2032 maturity date. The last date of issue is the 4th of May, and the bonds are the group's first sustainability-linked ones, and they demonstrate the company's commitment to environmental stewardship. The bond builds on the group's debt diversification and tenant management strategy. The revenues will be used for general corporate and trust purposes in the ordinary course of business. And from this, the company's shares were trading at around 22 Australian dollars, slightly lower than their previous close. Now coming to Wesfarmers, in April, the share price of the company underperformed on the S&P ASX 200. In the last 1 month, the share price fell 1.98%, while the ASX 200 was down at just 0.86%. Now, there was no news or announcements rather by Wesfarmers last month that could have reflected this share price dip, although on the 31st of March the company did announce the completion of a 100% shares of Australian pharmaceutical industries. On the other hand, its shares today were trading in the green at around 49.29. And now looking at the shares of Cleanaway Waste Management, which was spotted trading 3.4% lower at just over $3 a share. Around 2.6 million shares of the company were traded after the ASX opened, and the company today announced the performance of its second half financial year results, which are likely to be impacted by higher fuel and labour costs, as well as some operational disturbances. Shares of the Cleanaway stock have gained over 9% on the ASX over the past 12 months. Though on the other hand, Cleanaway's year-to-date share price fell as well by more than 4%. The company shares were down 2.86% today and trading at just over $3. That's a wrap on the last trade, but tune in next time only on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.